mine has a cordless grinder. I can eventually. Yeah. Whenever you need it. I got one for sale. No, I mean I just need one. So a year behind schedule.
Not only are we cutting it off, but we are generating the electricity
Well, I figured that.
with our bikes.
Set up over here.
See where I'm going.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So this is the one we're cutting off. Okay, here we go.
That's it?
I think we might need to do one more cut.
All right.
Did we lose power? Yeah, it's coming back up. All right. It won't come off with one side off? I don't know. I think we need more. Nice going, guys. Woo! We're rocking it. But no, it's not off yet. Oh. Yeah.
No, get up.
Yeah, I can use the brake.
Here, let me pedal some.
I don't want to scratch it. Come on. I'll hold it.
So what are we doing here, Paul?
What are we doing? This bike was stolen from my house about 3 weeks ago. I went out into the city and asked people to show them a picture of it, and I got some interesting responses. Everyone said they hadn't seen it. One person said, "I'd steal bikes, but I wouldn't steal a bike like that. That's a work bike. That's a working bike." Another person said, If you see that bike, you get that bike. Last night we got a message that it was here. We came, put some locks on it, and came back in the morning, set up our pedal power system, and cut it off.
Yeah.